Hey guys, it's SolidTech Hunter and today we will learn how to use the other options available in the part modification and construction. So let's do it. So now click on the part. So we will be provided with our work area. So as in the video earlier I have uploaded. So in that video I had just told about the options for starting these options. Some of the options I have told earlier. So now we will work on the other options available for editing or you can say constructing our model. Okay, now the other option is the spline. Let's start with the spline. Okay, click on the spline option and select the plane. Suppose I selected top plane, and pressing the spacebar will provide us the orientation dialog box, so we can select the orientation. So I selected the normal to orientation. See, I when move the cursor it shows list that is normal to, or I can press Ctrl plus 8 for that. Okay, suppose I click on this, top plane front view is available. So construct and a spline. Okay, just click the points where you want the spline to be. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's it. This is the way to create a spline. So if you want to move these points, the points where you have clicked before creating the spline, so you can click here and adjust the shape of the spline like this. Okay, or suppose this point is moved, so it's moved like this. We can also set the tangency of this by as we click on the point we are provided with by this arrow, so we can adjust its tangency like this. Okay, we can also adjust the tangency of other points, so in order to get the required shape of this spline. Okay, like this. uh, okay, that's it. That's a way to create a spline. Okay, the next option is the ellipse. Okay, first of all click the center and just give the radius as in a circle and create an ellipse. Okay, 1 2 and 3. That's it. The other ellipse types are as follows, that is partial ellipse. In partial ellipse, as we create the full ellipse, but in partial ellipse we have only the part which we want, and the other remaining part is trimmed off. Okay, like this. Give the radius and define ellipse and give its boundary up to here or here or here. Suppose I want an ellipse up to here only. Okay, that's it. The other ellipse is a parabola. Other we can say other curves or symbols. Other we have the parabola. Uh, just we have to give the radius. Okay, and we create a parabola. Just click, give the radius or the distance between the boundary and the point. Okay, just double tap where you want to start from, just click there and create a parabola. That's it. This is a parabola having this boundary and this center point. Okay, the other option is the conic. Okay, conic is same as that of the you can say parabola, but it creates a conic structure, unlike parabola which has other structure or other you can say boundary. It creates somewhat like a conic cone. Okay, 2D cone, that you can say front view of a cone. uh, we we have to give the 2 points like this and stretch this line. Actually it creates a line, but we have to stretch it on the sides so we can create a conic. Okay, okay, that's it. uh, Now the other option is uh, yes, fillet. Fillet and chamfer are the next two options which which I will tell you. These are very important in creating a geometry of a part or assembly. Okay, now let's do it. Just sketch, click on line. Okay, suppose I created this rectangle. Okay, but in the solid, uh, when I will convert this rectangle into a 3D structure, I want a circular edges as but not these 90-degree edges, so I will use fillet. Once clicking on the fillet, you will get this dialog box. So here first option is the entities to fillet. The entities you click shown here like this. uh, this is the fillet radius. Okay, and this option is used for adding dimensions to the fillet you have added to the shape. Okay, just click on the line, two lines which you want to be fillet. Okay, here radius is too small. Okay, just give the radius to 1 mm. Sorry, just give it 200 mm. Okay, and see this wall fillet added here. When you click here, the fillet is added of radius 200. If I add dimension to this, I think it is 2000, and this be 2000. Now see here, the fillet is visible to us. Okay, now here I used smart dimension. I don't told you this option earlier because I haven't used this option before. So now it's the time to tell you that smart dimension is used to give dimensions to our structure, the readings that we want, or the dimensions to our geometry that we want to give. Okay, suppose I created a rectangle. Okay, but I haven't defined its sides. So click on the smart dimension and just click on the side you want to give dimension, and click again, and you will get a dialog box modify like this. And you can modify the dimension of this. You can say length of the rectangle by entering the value here. Suppose I give it 20 mm. Okay, that's it. It gives 20 mm to the length and 10 mm for the breadth. Okay, that is converted to this, and we can drag it by clicking on it. The dimension can be uh, set near to the geometry, so we can get the required dimensions and important knowledge about the structure. So we can use it for the circle as well. Like I created a circle and I want to give it a radius of my choice. uh, it is the diameter of the circle, so I can say that 15, say 20 is the diameter. I have told you earlier about the how to edit the radius of the circle. Just click on the circle and you will again get this dialog box. Here 10 is the radius of the circle but 20 is the diameter. Okay, I told you earlier how to enter values in this for other options also in the previous video. So this is the way to use smart dimension. Smart dimension has other options like this: horizontal dimension, that's used for giving dimensions to the horizontal lines. Vertical dimension is used for the giving dimension to the vertical lines, as this one, 10. Okay, the other options are suitable for other dimensioning also. Okay, that we will do with the time later. Okay, now the other option is the chamfer. Suppose this is a rectangle and I want to add some chamfer that is aligned on the corners. Okay, when you click on the chamfer button, so there are two options provided: angle distance and distance. So first click on angle distance. We will talk about angle distance first.